Hello students, how are you? I hope every one of you fit and fine at your homes. So students, today I am starting your chapter number 2. So just come on your chapter number 2 on page number 18. So beta, right in the beginning, just you see here the top of your page, spreadsheet, formulas and function. So there are three things here. One is spreadsheet, next is formulas and functions. So students, here you know just first of all about spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means a worksheet, Excel sheet, and formula you know in your math subject also. So same meaning here of your formula also means formula is a user defined instruction, and some functions means ki function of Excel. So let's know students about your chapter here. One of the important attribute of Excel, it is a ability to perform calculations either using a formula or function. In this chapter you will learn about the basic formulas and function and how they can be used in the different scenario. Formula are the user defined instruction to perform calculation, whereas function are the pre-designed or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. So in this line here two meanings, okay, one meaning of functions and second meaning of a formula. So first of all, clear here you one thing, what is formula? Formula are the user defined instruction to perform the calculation, and function are the pre-designed or inbuilt formulas that come with एक्सेल. मीन्स कि जो एक्सेल के बीच में जो फार्मूलाज अप्लाई होते हैं, ओके, जो पहले से ही फार्मूलाज बने होते हैं, द प्री डिजाइंड फार्मूलाज, दैट इज नोन एज अ फंक्शन. आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट कम ऑन द फर्स्ट टॉपिक अवर फार्मूलाज इन एक्सेल. फार्मूला आर यूज टू परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन इन्वॉल्विंग एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ए फार्मूला एस्टेब्लिशेस ए relationship between two or more cell. So simply you understand it is a relationship between two or more cells. Cells, you know, I think cell is a intersection of a row and a column. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. Using it you can perform simple as well as complex calculation. So with the help of formula you can solve the very big and complex sums. So see here, first of all, formula must be begin with the equal to symbol followed by the cell reference and operators. So here you students, one thing remember कि every formula is must be started with your equal to symbol. So here you know about the 2-3 things, references, operators, constant and function. First of all, your references, a cell or range of cell that you want to include in your calculation. Next, operators. So see here the examples of the operator, plus, minus and these all the things, multiply, star and other, has, etc. These all are the symbols. Next one is constant, the number or text value that do not change, means static. Next one is functions. Function you know already, pre-defined formulas in Excel. So let's you understand with the help of one chart, elements of formulas in Excel. Cell address, first of all, constant values. So see here the constant value is 5, and A2 and B2, what is this? This is the values, and here plus and multiply is a mathematical operator, right? After that you see here E3, and in the between of E3 and E5 there is one range, that is called range, okay, and here equal to is important. So now you see here, this is the full concept of our formula. Next you see creating a basic formula. If you want to create a basic formula, the step here. Basic formula involve only one type of operation in it. Let us use the calculate a sum of two values b2, b3, b7 and display the result in the b8. What is b and what is 2? Okay, here b is a column and 2 is a row. Okay, so see here b2 to b7, this is a full range, and the result of these values you just show in the b8. मीन्स कि जो आपका रिजल्ट जो है वो b8 में आना चाहिए, बाकी वैल्यूज जो हैं ये हैं, राइट. सो सी हियर नेक्स्ट. सो प्रैक्टिकली यू सी एंटर द डाटा as shown in the figure given on the next page. Click on the B cell. So means all of first you open your Excel sheet and in the B8 just you put the sign in the B8 equal to sign, because you want to result here in this column. After this you just click on the B2 and a dashed border called mark will appear around it. Its address will be appear in the B8 in the formula bar. So let's know about your Excel sheet. First of all, you here see here this is your Excel worksheet. So see here just these are the title, months and number of the unit sold. So here is in your computer system they are creating a one list of some थिंग्स. ओके, मीन्स रिलेटेड मंथ वाइज, राइट. देखो इन्होंने क्या किया कि जस्ट जैन मंथ में इन्होंने कितनी चीज़ें जो है वो सोल्ड की 1000, इन फेब 2000, इन मार्च 1500 एंड इन अप्रैल 2000 एंड मे 1300 एंड इन जून 1100. सो हेयर यू सी they want to add these values. So what is the formula of this thing? So formula is here total and next equal to b2 plus b3 plus b4 plus b5 plus b6 plus b8. ओके, अब देखो यहाँ पे b जो है b is a column and these all values 1 2 3 4 5 up to 7, these all are rows. Okay, so after that you press enter. Whenever you press the enter, the result will come downside of these values, right. So यहाँ पे जो है आपका जितना भी इनका अमाउंट का सम होगा वो आपको जो सारा जो है यहाँ पे शो हो जाएगा. So students, in come on the second topic, using compound formula. What is compound formula? First you know first about this. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. Now you have more than one operator. Operator means plus, minus, divide, multiply. Let us see the result of and calculate the simple interest by using the formula. So you know students, in according to your method, you know the formula of interest, PRT, principal, rate and your time divided by 100. So enter the data as shown in the figure number 2.2. So see here, okay, principal is 4500, rate is 5 and time is 3 year. So here you put the formula equal to b2 into b3 into b4 and now divide by 100. So just you see the result in this column, in column number 6. So now here you complete your compound formula. And next you students, you know one thing more. Here you can use a formula on a text. If you want to add a one formula on the text, you can also apply it. We also perform addition or character and string data. Except for addition and other operations just like your subtraction, multiplication and division etc. are not allowed on the string data. String data means text type of data. Here no need to any type of symbol arithmetic operator. The ampersand symbol, this is ampersand symbol, is used to perform addition. Addition of two or more text values are called concatenation. Here this is the definition of concatenation. Let us understand this with the help of one example. Enter the string type data you here in the cell A1 and B1. So here you say keeps and in A1 and India in B1. So third step, enter the formula A1 ampersand B1 in cell C1 and press the enter key. So it will display keeps India in the cell C1. So let's see here you output of this statement, right? So today our topic up to here. This is our first video. Thank you.